This car's got a $16,000 interior in it from Upholsteries Unlimited. He's nationally known, has cars that are in national car shows. 5-point harness in all 4 seats, even custom bucket seats in the rear. And then the trunk has been fully lined in the back with a trunk liner. So you can see it's fully leathered all the way around and a trunk liner on it. Also has a 200-watt receiver. All right, this is how easy this car starts. That's how good it shuts off.